Hi, my name's Andrew Dryden, and I'm going to show you how to protect hardwood floors from chairs. Things you'll need: felt tip protectors, plastic floor mat, and wheels. First, attach self-stick felt tip protectors to the bottom of all chair legs. Felt tip protectors come in various sizes to accommodate any size chair leg. Kitchen chairs are moved towards and away from the table. Casters allow for smooth chair sliding. Install wheels on office chairs. Unlike dining room chairs, you move office chairs from left to right, frontward and backward regularly. Place a plastic floor mat for office chairs with wheels to protect your floors. Although the wheels are less damaging to floors, a protective cover helps to mitigate the wear and tear on the floor. And finally, put an area rug underneath formal dining room sets. And that's how to protect hardwood floors from chairs.